Hello, hi, I'm Arlene from Feng Shui Practitioners and Enthusiasts. So here are the cures for the illness star in the center of the house. You can actually place the medicine or the vitamins in the center of your house. And if you want it, you can also place the Wooloo or the Garuda bird, which I have. And also, if you want to place the medicine Buddha plaque or the statue, it's also okay. And also the white goddess umbrella, which is also for sickness. And also, you can place the heavy metals, which you can start placing like 15 pounds. So you can actually use the weight plates or the dumbbells or the kettlebells. And also you can place the salt water cure. But salt water cure should be applied only on triple metal days. Okay, don't forget that, because you cannot just simply place saltwater cure in any day. Okay, it should be triple metal days. All right, see you again. Bye.